Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you, is Phantom Wallet safe? This is just a simple video just to show you how you can use Phantom Wallet to have the most amount of security, right? So as you know, we're here on phantom.app/security. Now before we go into this, I just want to say that Phantom Wallet is going to be as secure as your computer or browser that you have it on, right? So make sure that you're using your browser the correct way. You don't have any you don't have any viruses or anything like that, right? And then as you can see, how we keep you and your crypto safe. Now this is the safest way how to use Phantom Wallet, right? Because Phantom Wallet in itself is safe, but it will not be safe if you don't know how to handle with it. So as you can see, we never have access to your funds or private keys. Phantom is a self-custodial wallet. Your private keys are encrypted on your device by your password and never shared with anyone. So make sure that you're never sharing this with anyone. This is the best way to stay safe. Sorry. And then obviously independently audited. Our code has been audited by Kudelski Security, a top software auditing firm, trusted by technology companies worldwide, right? So again, this is one, I would say, factor why Phantom Wallet is safe, right? Then obviously your privacy is respected. Phantom Wallet doesn't track any personal identifiable information, your account addresses or asset balances, right? Now, as you can see, you also have bug bounty. White hat hackers can be rewarded up to $50,000 for finding vulnerabilities that may result in the loss of user funds. Now, I'm sorry for my broken English, but these four things mean that Phantom Wallet is probably the safest wallet out there. Why? Let me tell you why. You have a private key, you never share it with anyone, right? Now, second, this whole Phantom Wallet and the whole security is audited by Kudelski Security, a top software auditing firm, right? Trusted by a lot of other companies. So that's the second thing why Phantom Wallet is safe. Third, your privacy is respected, right? Phantom doesn't track any personal information, so your privacy is respected. And fourth, as you can see, they're rewarding hackers, white hat hackers, which are basically good hackers. If they find some, some errors in Phantom Wallet, they will be fixed and rewarded to $50,000. As you can see, that is how Phantom Wallet is safe. It's the safest wallet out there, especially if your browser is safe as well. So make sure you stay safe with your browser, and your Phantom Wallet will be safe as well. So that is basically the video. Is Phantom Wallet safe? Yes, of course, but make sure that your browser is also safe. Again, if you have any questions, comment down below. We'll see you in the next video.